Today in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can speed up your Windows 11 PC. So for that, just follow these steps. Go to your search box and search for settings. You can also right click on your start button and then click on settings. It will take you to the same place. After that, click on privacy and security and turn off all these options one by one. Now the next option is go to the search box and search for sysdm.cpl. That is sysdm.cpl. They go to advanced and then under the performance click on settings. From here choose adjust for best performance. Click apply and then OK. And then OK. Basically, it will turn off the graphical mode on your computer. And then the last one is go to the search box and then search for Task Manager. Click on Task Manager. From here, go to the Start Up. And then here you will see the list of all the programs that start up when you first turn on your computer. Basically, go through all of these apps and see if you don't need any one of them, just disable them. For example, this one is enabled now. I'm gonna disable that. So basically do that, and then once you do that, restart your computer, give it a good restart, and then after that you will see a big difference in your computer's speed on Windows 11. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and let me know in the comment box how you getting on with your Windows 11. Did it speed up your computer or not? I'll see you next time.